5 tips for taking care of your feet for summer. Summer is a time when the risk of foot infections increases. That means it's important to take care of your feet. What should I be careful about? Are you overlooking the soles of your feet that should be taken care of as usual? Some people are unaware that their feet are exposed to infections and skin-damaging external factors during this time. Changing shoes, barefoot activities, and swimming pools create an ideal environment for bacteria and fungi to grow. I would like to share some tips to avoid such problems. Why foot care is important in summer. If your feet hurt, you won't be able to walk or run. Despite this, many people tend to neglect their feet. In summer, the heat and humidity make it easy for infectious microorganisms to breed, and there are concerns about the effects of such factors on health. Outdoor activities also increase the risk of injury and calluses. It is said that it is easy to get infections and calluses because it is easy to come into direct contact with bacteria and fungi. Summer foot care tips. The incidence of foot problems increases significantly in the summer. Also, wearing open shoes such as sandals and flip-flops makes this area more likely to develop problems. On the other hand, wearing supportive shoes or shoes with covers can help reduce the impact. Let's take a closer look at the recommended foot care for summer. 1. Choose the right shoes. Flip-flops are not suitable for exercise or long walks. This is because, as I pointed out earlier, bacteria tend to grow in places with high humidity. So don't go barefoot in public showers, pools, changing rooms, etc. 2. Do not share personal items. Avoid sharing personal items such as footwear and towels. This is a measure to reduce the risk of infection and is part of hygiene measures. Using the same shoes as others can lead to foot ailments such as an athlete's foot. 3. Practice good hygiene. Dry thoroughly, including the area between your toes and nails. 4. Use sunscreen. Just like any other part of your body, protect your feet from the sun by applying sunscreen. 5. Apply moisturizing products. Summer weather tends to lead to dryness and cracked feet. Other foot care points. Remember, in any case, it's best to use sandals that are stable and supportive. You can reduce the risk of falling or tripping. On the other hand, we do not recommend using nail polish. It can cause allergic reactions, and suppressing sweat in this area makes it easier for microorganisms to grow. Scraping off dead skin cells and rough areas is not the best method. It can be bruised and more susceptible to infection. Consult a podiatrist. If you have any questions or problems, it is best to consult a specialist, especially if you already have a foot problem. Frequent visits to the podiatrist can help you take better care of your feet this summer to keep them healthy.